Career opportunities in data science. Explore top career options in 2023. Data science is a thriving field brimming with abundant career prospects and the promise of substantial growth. In today's tech-driven world, businesses in all sectors use data for smart decision-making and staying ahead.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
With our data reliance growing, the need for professionals who can extract insights from vast data is rising. Data science covers data tasks from collection to analysis and predictive modeling. Proficiency in advanced statistical and computational techniques is essential to unearth concealed patterns and trends, which, in turn, serve as vital inputs for strategic business choices and the resolution of intricate challenges. Career opportunities in data science present avenues across virtually every sector, including finance, healthcare, e-commerce, marketing, and more. Whether you are a recent graduate embarking on your professional journey or an experienced individual contemplating a career shift, data science offers a promising career path. Its universal relevance and ever-increasing demand make it an attractive and enduring choice for career growth and advancement. Top data science career opportunities in various job positions. Data scientist. Data scientists are highly skilled professionals responsible for gathering, cleaning, and analyzing data to extract valuable insights. They create actionable recommendations based on their analysis, helping organizations make informed decisions. Data scientists also construct predictive models that guide critical business strategies. Data scientists handle diverse data sources, apply statistical methods, and frequently code in Python or R. Their vital role involves converting raw data into actionable insights, contributing to organizational success. Data analyst. Data analysts focus on collecting and interpreting data to support key business decisions. They excel in data visualization and reporting, translating complex data trends into understandable insights for non-technical stakeholders. Data analysts often use tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software to convey their findings effectively. Their role involves data cleansing, data transformation, and creating informative dashboards. These professionals are crucial for organizations seeking to harness the power of data for strategic decision-making. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers are experts in designing and developing advanced machine learning models and algorithms. They focus on automating decisions by adding machine learning to systems. They know machine learning and neural networks and use languages like Python and TensorFlow. Their work extends to model deployment and maintenance. Machine learning engineers bridge the gap between data science and software development, enabling machines to learn from data and make predictions, ultimately driving innovation in various industries. Data engineer. Data engineers are instrumental in building and maintaining data pipelines and databases. They ensure data is accessible for analysis by designing robust data architecture and ETL, extract, transform, load processes. Data engineers manage databases, data warehousing, and big data tech like Hadoop and Spark. They maintain data infrastructure, ensuring reliable storage and accessibility for informed data-driven decisions in organizations. Research scientist. Research scientists in data science work at the forefront of innovation, often in academia or research institutions. They conduct groundbreaking research, pushing the field's boundaries, exploring new ideas, developing novel algorithms, and advancing data science knowledge. They shape the field's future through exploration and discovery. Big data engineer. Big data engineers are specialists in managing and processing large volumes of data. They are proficient in utilizing big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark to handle and extract insights from massive datasets. These professionals ensure that organizations can effectively work with big data, enabling data-driven decision-making at scale. AI, Artificial Intelligence, Engineer. AI engineers are experts in crafting artificial intelligence systems for tasks demanding human-like thinking. Their focus encompasses natural language comprehension, computer vision, and innovative machine learning projects. They pioneer intelligent systems, reshaping sectors like healthcare and autonomous vehicles. Data Science Manager. Data science managers lead and oversee data science teams within organizations. They set project goals, ensure efficient project execution, and make strategic decisions to drive the success of data projects. These experienced professionals bridge the gap between technical expertise and organizational strategy, playing a pivotal role in translating data insights into business value. Quantitative Analysts. Quants are experts who use complex math to study financial data. They create models to understand risks and make smart investment choices, mainly in finance. Their role is crucial for keeping finances safe and making the most of profits in financial institutions. Data Consultant. Data consultants are seasoned experts in data science and analytics. They provide consulting services to businesses, helping them make data-driven decisions, optimize processes, and maximize efficiency. Data consultants leverage their expertise to solve complex data challenges and guide organizations toward data-driven excellence. Predictive Analytics Specialist. Predictive analytics specialists utilize data and statistics to forecast future trends, customer actions, and market shifts. Their valuable insights inform strategic planning, helping organizations proactively adapt and excel by bridging historical data with future predictions.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.